Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove someone from a group chat on WhatsApp. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up WhatsApp. Now from WhatsApp, you're going to go onto the group that you want to remove someone from. Okay, let's say this group, and then you're going to click on this chat. Okay, once you click on the chat, you're going to scroll down all the way until, and you need to be an admin. Okay, once you're in the group, you're going to click on whatever person you want to remove. Let's say I want to go remove this guy, and as you can see, once I click on it, you're going to find like remove this person. Once I click on it, it is going to remove him. But watch out, because once you click on remove, it's going to remove. Okay, so this is basically how you can remove someone from a WhatsApp group. As I said, it's pretty easy. You have to be an admin. Other than that, you cannot remove someone from the chat. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you later, and thank you for watching.